Welcome to Richard Suttmeyer's 4 in 4. 4 blips on my radar screen, presented in 4 minutes or less. Today is Tech Tuesday, so my focus is on technology stocks. My first blip tells you that the tech sector is 25.3% undervalued, the cheapest of the 11 sectors I tracked. Most of the charts I showed today show that 2007 ended with the popping of a mini tech stock bubble. Many momentum tech names of 2007 became overvalued and overbought, making them ripe for 20 to 40% and bigger price declines. Richard Suttmeyer's sector report is heavily weighted in the tech sector on this share price weakness, with 12 of 20 stocks being technology names. For the tech-heavy NASDAQ, I show weekly support at 2160 with daily resistance at 2284. The weekly chart profile is negative but oversold. A weekly close below the 200-week simple moving average at 2255 would be the first since mid-August 2004. The weekly chart for the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, the SOX, is also oversold, but 23.5% below its 200-week simple moving average at 451.76. Weekly support is 336.43 with a monthly pivot at 351.67 and daily resistance at 355.77. Semi-annual resistance is 390.32. My second blip is my weekly profiles for Apple and Google. Both are slightly more than 30% undervalued. Apple had a buy rating for a day last week, and it set a new year-to-date low at 115.44. The upside to 132.20 was another failed test of my semi-annual pivot at 130.49. Apple shares were sliced towards the lower end of this trading range following negative comments from analysts on Monday. A week ago on February 26, Google tested a new year-to-date low at 446.85 with resistance at 485.74, which is the price gap to the February 25 low. Google is trying to land from an all-time high of 747 set on November 11th. The 300-point plunge from overbought altitude was 40%, and the stock is oversold on its weekly chart for the first time ever. My third blip profiles 4 tech stocks in the sector report model portfolio that share strong buy ratings. Sigma Designs is oversold and 57.6% undervalued. Annual and semi-annual value levels are 26.20 and 25.67 with an annual pivot at 27.89 and semi-annual risky level at 39.64. Garmin is oversold and 43.4% undervalued. The January 22 low for Garmin is 55 with a semi-annual pivot at 70.83. NVDA is oversold and 33% undervalued. The stock is trading below my semi-annual pivot at 24.34. Lam Research is showing rising momentum after being oversold. Lam is 23.4% undervalued and should trade between its Feb 7th low of 36.86 and my monthly pivot at 42.57. My fourth blip covers the upgrade for Adobe and the downgrade for Cisco. Adobe was upgraded to buy from hold according to Value Engine. The stock is oversold on its weekly chart and is 27.5% undervalued. The February 7th low is 32.08 and my monthly pivot is 37.76. Cisco is downgraded to hold over the weekend by Value Engine. The stock shows rising momentum on its weekly chart and is 18.1% undervalued. My semi-annual value level is 22.01 with the 50-day simple moving average at 25.05. Send your comments and questions to support@rightsideadvisors.com. That's today's 4 in 4. Enjoy your day.